Welcome to our treasure-seeking YouTube channel. Today we're delving into an area that was once home to a civilization thousands of years ago. With our field scanning bar, we're exploring this treasure-rich terrain, hoping to uncover ancient artifacts and pieces of history. Stay tuned as we embark on this exciting journey of discovery. My advice to those who want to search for treasure is as follows. When searching for treasure in an old settlement, here are some key points to keep in mind. Begin by researching the history of the settlement. Understand who lived there, their customs, and any significant events or legends associated with the area. This can give you clues about potential treasure locations. Take a systematic approach to surveying the area. Look for signs of human activity such as foundations, walls, pottery shards, or any anomalies in the terrain that might indicate hidden structures or burial sites. Invest in quality metal detectors, ground-penetrating radar, or other advanced detection tools. These can help you identify buried objects and distinguish between valuable metals and common debris. Ensure that you have the necessary permissions and permits to search for treasure in the area. Follow all local laws and regulations regarding artifact discovery and excavation. When you detect a potential treasure signal, dig slowly and methodically. Avoid causing damage to any artifacts you uncover and document their exact location and context. Consider partnering with archaeologists or experienced treasure hunters who can provide guidance, expertise, and help ensure responsible excavation practices. By following these tips and conducting thorough research, you can increase your chances of finding valuable treasures while respecting the historical and cultural significance of the site. I found a treasure. I get a lot of questions about what I should do next. I can list the answers to these questions as follows. Listen carefully. Take photos and videos of the treasure in its original location before removing it. Document the surrounding area and any artifacts or features nearby. Use gloves and gentle handling techniques when retrieving the treasure to avoid causing damage. Some artifacts may be fragile or sensitive to environmental conditions. Once recovered, securely store the treasure in a safe and climate-controlled environment. Protect it from humidity, temperature fluctuations, and direct sunlight to prevent deterioration. Consider having the treasure evaluated by experts such as archaeologists, historians, or appraisers specializing in antiquities. They can provide insights into the treasure's historical significance, age, value, and preservation needs. Ensure that you comply with all legal requirements regarding the discovery and ownership of treasure in your region. This may involve reporting the find to relevant authorities and obtaining necessary permits or permissions. If the treasure requires conservation or restoration work, consult with professionals experienced in preserving historical artifacts. Avoid attempting DIY repairs that could inadvertently damage the treasure. Consider sharing information about your discovery with the public, museums, or academic institutions. Contributing to the understanding of history and culture can be a rewarding aspect of treasure hunting. Always prioritize ethical practices in treasure hunting. Respect cultural heritage, follow ethical guidelines, and refrain from engaging in illegal or unethical activities. By following these steps, you can ensure that your treasure discovery is handled responsibly, preserving its historical value for future generations to appreciate. We have been searching for treasure professionally for years, and for every video we share, we will give away a metal detector to one lucky person. To win a metal detector, all you have to do is subscribe to our YouTube channel, like our videos, and comment. See you next week.